Hello student, today we will learn an exciting science fiction story about the small bird named Claribel on a space station. This story shows how even the smallest creatures can play a big role in saving life. So student, let's start the chapter summary.
This exciting science fiction story by Arthur C. Clarke takes place aboard a space station where a construction worker named Sven Olsen secretly brings along a tiny pet, a yellow canary named Claribel. There was no rule against having pets in space, and even if there had been, Sven would probably have ignored it. Claribel was the perfect space pet. She weighed almost nothing, hardly needed any food, and was not bothered by the lack of gravity. She quickly learned how to float effortlessly, fold her wings, and move gracefully without flying. Eventually, everyone on the space station loved her. Claribel was smuggled aboard purely out of Sven's curiosity. He wanted to see how a bird behaved in zero gravity. The workers hid her carefully whenever important visitors arrived, although her sudden whistles and musical chirping sometimes created awkward moments. Still, no one imagined that a canary could play an important role in space safety. One morning, even though day and night do not exist in space, the narrator woke feeling strangely tired and sluggish. During breakfast, the crew noticed that Sven had not arrived. When he finally entered, he looked devastated. In his hand lay Claribel, limp and unmoving. The men panicked, but their cook, Dr. Jock, tried to check for a heartbeat. Unsure what to do, they placed Claribel inside an oxygen mask. To everyone's relief, she revived instantly, only to faint again when taken out. The narrator suddenly remembered that miners on Earth once carried canaries deep underground because the birds would faint first if the air became poisonous, warning the miners of danger. This memory struck him like lightning. Something was wrong with the air in the space station. He alerted the duty engineer. At first, the engineer denied the possibility, saying that the alarms would have sounded. But another worker reminded him that one alarm circuit had not yet been connected. When the engineer rushed off to check, the truth emerged. During the night, the station had passed through Earth's shadow, causing part of the air purifier to freeze. The only working alarm had failed, and dangerous gases had begun building up. Without Claribel's warning, the entire crew might have died in their sleep. In the end, the crew realized that one tiny canary had saved $500,000 worth of equipment and all their lives. From that day on, many space stations welcomed birdsong as a comforting sound. Claribel showed that sometimes the simplest, most unexpected things offer the greatest safety.
So student, from this story, we learn that even small and simple things can make a big difference. We should always stay alert and respect every living being as they can help us in unexpected ways. Sometimes the smallest hero can save everyone. Student, check the questions on your screen and post your answers in the comment section. First question, who was Sven Olsen and what did he bring to the space station? Next question, why was Claribel a perfect pet for space? Next question, what happened to Claribel that made the crew worry? And next question, how did the crew realize that was a problem with the air? And last question, how did Claribel help in saving the crew? So student, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and see you again with new chapter summary. Thank you.